Hi everyone, here are 3 reasons why you should book your trip to Italy early. Number 1 is flight. Flight availability and pricing are normally the best around 8 to 10 months prior to desired travel date. As your travel date gets closer, flights get more and more expensive and options are limited. Number 2 is hotel availability and pricing. This year was the busiest it's ever been for Italy, so hotels had very little availability and pricing were very high. For example, in the Amalfi Coast, during the months of July, August, and September, there were absolutely no hotels available. So if you didn't book it in advance, you had to choose another destination to travel. And number 3 is tours. You can definitely, if you wanted to do general tours, that's not a problem at all. But if you wanted to visit something specific, for example, like the underground Colosseum, only a few people are allowed to enter that area during the day. So if you don't book ahead, you are not going to be able to catch one of those tours because they get sold out very quick. I hope this helps, and I'll wait to hear from you to start planning your vacation. Goodbye.